Hey, Learning Leopards. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, and it is time for sound work. Let's go ahead and get started with our rhymes. Today, our rhyme is et, thinking about words that end with et. Wet, get, jet, met, let, pet. Can you think of any more? All right, now we're going to do beginning sound. I'll say the word, you say the word. We're going to say the first sound together. Ready? Ocean, ocean, O. Eel, eel, E. Acorn, acorn, A. Unicorn, unicorn, U. Idea, idea, I. Lots of those long vowel sounds again. All right, let's blend our words together. You ready? Here we go. Nine, own, tone. I've, five. Ain, main. Soap, soap. Cube, cube. June, June. Ripe, ripe. Goat, goat. Bass, bass. Nice blending. All right, here comes our roller coaster. Remember, this week we're doing a loop-de-doop, middle sound at the top. Ready? Bead, bead. Bead, E-E-E. Soak, soak. Oak, O-O-O. Tide, tide. I'd, I. Name, name. Aim, A. Fuse, fuse. Use, U. Dice, dice. Ice, I. Team, team. Team, E. All right, now we're going to get our choppers out. Ready? I'll say the word. We'll say it together, and then we're going to chop each individual sound. Dune, dune. D-oo-n. Rate, rate. Rate. Pine, pine. P-I-n. Rome, rome. R-o-m. Cape, cape. K-ape. Note, note. Note. Mice, mice. M-ice. Cute, cute. Cute. Fuse, fuse. Use. Live, live. Live. Nice job. All right, I'm going to say an end. We're going to add a beginning sound, figure out what the word is together. Ode, ode, add t. Toad. I'd add h. Hide. Oon, add s. Soon. Ood, add m. Mood. Eight, add d. Date. Now I'm going to take that first sound off. Ready? Root, without r is oot. Save, without s is ave. Tune, without t is oon. Poke, without p is oak. Life, without l is ife. Nice job. All right, now we're going to change that beginning sound. Ready? Boat, change b to g. Goat, goat, change g to k. Coat, change k to n. Note, change n to v. Vote, change v to b. Boat. Nice job. Okay, today we're going to go through, we're just going to say the letter names, and then we'll go through and say the sounds. Okay, ready? SH, V, N, J, Q, M, TH, B, H, U, A, C, G, O, R, K, X, I, Z, T, F, P, L, E, Y, D, C, H, S, W. Now we'll go through and do our sounds. Are you ready? Sh, V, N, J, 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 Qu, 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 M, B, 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 Second sound, U. Second sound, A. K, K, K. Second sound, S. G, G, G. Second sound, J, J, J. Second sound, O. R. K, K, K. X. Second sound, Z. I. Second sound, I. Z. T, t, t. L. Second sound, E. Y. Can also say E or I. D, D, D. Ch, ch, ch. S. W. Nice work. Okay. Today, before we take a look at our nursery rhyme, we're going to do our word solving first, okay? And I have a word up here that I want us to solve together, and I'm going to show you a new strategy that you might use to solve some words, okay? All right, here's the word that we're going to solve today, okay? So I know that it's really important that I stop and try something anytime I get to a word that I don't know, okay? And today I want to show you a new strategy. And this strategy is called look for parts you know. So if I was looking at this word, I could solve this word by saying the sounds and blending them together. S, at, sat. But I might already see a part of that word I know. For instance, I already know this word right here. I know that that's the word at. That's a sight word that I know, that I've practiced. I know it. So I could look in this word and I could say, oh, I know that that's at. So I just need to add s to the beginning. S, at, sat. Sometimes the chunks that you know will be at the end of the word. Maybe they're at the beginning of the word, like last week or the week before when we talked about that TH and SH, that digraph that we saw at the beginning. Sometimes, like today, they're going to be in the middle of the word. Okay, so this is called look for parts you know. So in this word, I'm going to show you a part that I know, and you might not know this part yet, and that's okay. I'm going to look just at this part. This is the word or, okay? And so if we were just to say these sounds together, we'd say ah, R. But it's not R. When O and R are together, they make the or sound, or. So now I'm going to use that part of that word, and I'm going to see if I can word solve the rest of the word, okay? So I'm going to say the first sound, the part that I know, and then the last sound. Are you ready? K, or, n. Now I'm going to put it together. K, orn, corn. That's the word corn. So I already know this part in the middle, or, and I'm going to use that to solve the rest of the word. If I know this is the word corn, and I take off the k and add a, think what that word might be. That's the word horn. We could do the same thing. We could say, I see a part that I know. OR says or, horn. So today, in our 2 new lines of our poem, we're going to see the word corn and we're going to see the word horn. Let's take a look. Okay, here's our little boy blue. See if you can see the word horn anywhere. See if you can find the word horn. Here it is, right here. And I see that part that I know, that OR, orn, horn. See if you can find the word corn. Corn. Hold it up for help. Here's the word corn right here. Orn, corn. All right, let's take a look at our poem. Go ahead and read it together. Title, Little Boy Blue. Here we go. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. All right, so little boy blue is a shepherd who is helping to get the sheep all together, okay? Ready? Let's read it again. Here's our title, Little Boy Blue. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Nice job today. See you tomorrow.